We are here for an important event. We call it Real Page Cares. Kini sila nag-donate ni, kunya as much as i-donate po yun, naako din sila karon utabang to do some labor work. So, thank you Real Pagers. I know we came from our shift last night, but you're here today to make this event a very meaningful. Let's give back to the community, and our recipient today is Zapatera National High School. And of course, we would like to thank also extended to your family. Kay this time, since we hold you ta, no? Natulog na tas balay, pero nata dali karon, we are ready to work with our bare hands because we are giving this gesture to the school and to the kids for Zapatera National High School.
Hands untied. If you feel the call,
We have some students, they are just few representatives of our students. We have 1,000, last year we have 1,500 students. So this commitment or your dedication with your kindness or generosity should surely inspire our students, no? Such deeds are good example for them. So, thank you so much. Thank you, Sister Boss. Kami dyan actually ang mas mapasalamaton kay kami nga mga magpuputlo, malipay para sa aming mga estudyante. So, thank you kayo and welcome to Zapatera again. Hopefully, this is not the start and the end. The partnership will continue. Hi, Ronnie. Thank you so much. God bless. Yeah, thank you.